Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update, and we still are going down yesterday as we talked about it, and here we go. Okay, 4-hour time frame back into the biz here. So the 4-hour time frame still shows that your technical target remains down here. Okay, this is your technical target. It's between 10 and 11k. So right now we're down. From yesterday's update, I talked about this bear flag right there, and I talked about the technical target come down here. So far we've been down, and so far if you started watching these videos and if you're a trader, you've been, congratulations, that's actually 16% move. Okay, you have won a 16% move, and it still doesn't remain there. You will have to take down here. So just one very quick recommendation, just a friendly recommendation for you, is that whenever you have like 10-20%, always try to close like 50%. Okay, don't be that trader who is waiting for the whole profit. I need the whole profit, damn it. If it doesn't come down here, I'm not taking any profit. Don't be like that. Okay, that's one of the bad practices in crypto. Yes, for some reason you can still come down here and say, oh, I wish I did this and that, but in crypto that's what it is. Whenever you do something and later on it happens the way you thought, you always end up saying to yourself that, oh, I told it, I knew it is gonna happen. I knew it's gonna happen this way. I just didn't do it. I just didn't buy here. I just didn't sell here. I wish I could have held it a little bit longer. That's just market psychology. Whenever you have to take a trade, okay, and whenever you have to sell the trade, you always have two opinions before buying and before selling. Before buying, you tell yourself like, oh, let me just wait a little bit longer. I'm gonna buy here. Oh, I think I just should be buying here. And if it does go down and you buy early, you say, oh, I knew I should have waited. Okay, and if it does actually start to pump and you were waiting for it to come down, you're going to be like, oh, I wish I did this. So you have two thoughts, okay, and either of them is just going to play out. And so, yeah, sometimes it just plays out the way you want to, and that actually is a satisfaction. Okay, that's pretty amazing. But you have to understand psychology. You don't have to get caught up with coin. You don't have to have emotional connection with any coin out there, even if it's Pepe, even if it's the best project like Bitcoin out there. By the end of the day, it's just a coin, okay? And a lot of people, tend to be trapped by this thing. Whenever you see this, it means health, okay? But in crypto-wise, it actually means sell, okay? This one means buy, and potentially we're just moving down, okay? What I can say is, if we have Pepe coming down and down, so, a lot of people are saying that, yeah, Pepe is looking to retrace all the way down here, lose this, and go to even 5,000, okay? 5,000. We're sitting at 12,380 right now. So we're talking about 60% move to the downside, okay? Now, does that mean that something is bad? It doesn't necessarily mean that that coin or that project is bad. We've seen Solana going down from $230 all the way, actually $250 all the way down to $7, okay? Even though that's an amazing project. We've seen Bitcoin going down 90% most of the time. So it's just the nature of how the market behaves and how it's going to be for a long time. Now, I don't have too much to say on the technicals. We still have a technical target. Now, we do have to come down here. One thing I'm going to close off with is that I noticed that on the 15 minutes time frame, we have started to make a divergence here. So I'm going to bring the RSI, and if you look at the RSI, is making some higher lows, and these are lower lows right over here. So we do have a little bit of a bullish divergence right there. So hopefully when you do come down to the technical target here, we could have a relief somehow, but that still has to be confirmed when we do come down there. So see you down at the technical target with a new update in the future, hopefully, and 6 more days to close the private channel as well, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.